everyone, we're going to find the average value of the function on the given interval of f of x from 0 to pi. So basically what we're looking at is we have h here, this is f, sorry. So we have the average is going to be 1, and I'm using this formula here, where this is your a and this is your b. So we have pi minus 0 times the integral from 0 to pi of cosine to the 4th power of x sine of x dx. All right, so we're going to use the substitution method and let u equal cosine of x. So derivative of u equals negative sine of x dx. All right, so we're going to have that, and that's going to give us that. But when we use substitution, we have to look at that. So if we have pi, if x is pi, then cosine of pi equals negative 1. So that would mean u is negative 1. All right. If we have x equals 0 for this piece, then we're going to have cosine of 0 equals positive 1. So I can rewrite this as, with u substitution, 1 divided by pi. I have to change everything in terms of u. So u is cosine of x, so that's going to be u to the 4th power. And then we have sine x dx. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and change this to negative and this to positive. So this is going to be negative du. So I substituted this piece here for negative du, and this was u to the 4th. And I also have to change my integrals. Pi, when x is pi, our u is negative 1. And when x was 0, our u was 1. All right. Now I can flip this around and take away the negative here. So we have a negative here. So all I have to do is write this as, if I pull out a negative, I can change these two around and change that to a positive. So we have this equals 1 divided by pi, and then we have 1 to negative 1, u to the 4th du. All right. So we can go ahead and integrate this, and what we're going to use is our integrals of symmetric functions to make this easier. Our u is cosine, that's an even function. So we're going to let this equal this. All right. So when we do that, we're going to get 1 divided by pi. Why did I put a 2? I was thinking ahead. Okay, 1 divided by pi. Now I'm using this. We're going to say 2 times the integral, and instead of a to negative a, we're using a to 0. So in our case, that's going to be 1 to 0. And then we have u to the 4th du. All right, so now we can go ahead and fix this up. This is 2 divided by pi. This is going to be 1/5 u to the 5th, and we're evaluating it from 1 to 0. So this is going to be, this is pi, 2 divided by pi, and then we're going to have 1/5 minus 0. So this is going to end up being 2 divided by 5 pi. And that's your final answer. Very important to know your properties of symmetric functions for integrals. It's going to save you so much time. The odd one's actually the easiest one. But if you ever have, it's where you're your integrals are the same but opposite signs, and that our fact that our cosine function is even, then you can do it this way, and it makes it a lot easier with that 0 there. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.